began, to never underestimate your sphere of influence. That's what we can work with. It's the most powerful thing that we have available today, not next week. Acknowledging or using the opportunity when someone says, "How are you?" to ask, if this current affairs are affecting you, and then you can go from there. That in itself is powerful. It's even more powerful, I think, as a person who's not color white brings that up with their client. I think that shows that's a whole different level, because it's probably more expected for someone for like me to say to my white friends or clients or etc. to say, is this affecting you? Rather, you know where I'm going with this? So it's an amazing opportunity to be that stone that if you throw it in the puddle or in the lake and you see the ripples, if you're that stone, you just throw it with the question and it will ripple out. We don't have control. And then we start to plant the seeds to the receiving end. Is like, wow, he or she asked me, how is this affecting me? No one has asked me that ever in their world, in their family. Get someone, and now I can speak to this person if I wish to. And so this comes to the end of the forum, and since social media and everything, I came up with a hashtag. It's not my hashtag. I saw this cool little picture, and it's about what we are. The person's on the edge of a cliff, and then there's another cliff, and it's what we want to be. And it's called leap of faith. Make the jump, what we are and what we want to be, and that little thing, and the person's going to do it. So I'm going to suggest to have a hashtag of leap of faith, what we are and what we want to be. Make that jump.